you to act, but knowledge gives you the power to know what and why you act. Ladies and gentlemen, honorable judges, esteemed teachers, and my fellow debater, a warm namaskar and good afternoon. I am Kusum, proudly representing the land of Himalayas, Nepal, and my beloved school, our name is Avashamabit. Today, we are gathered here to discuss an issue that lies in the heart of global progress. The question of whether skill development is more important than knowledge acquisition when it comes to solving real-world challenges. Well, I am standing before you to argue that without a solid foundation of knowledge, skill alone will not be able to act. In fact, knowledge is the key to unlock the power of skill. Well, it's easy to get caught up in the allure of acquiring skill, tangible practical abilities that may promise to lead potential impact. But let us not forget that knowledge is the bedrock upon which to innovation, understanding and ideas are built. To begin with, let us turn to the history and proven success of knowledge-driven innovation. In the words of great philosopher Francis Bacon, knowledge is power. What does it mean? Of course, it means that knowledge is driving force behind the capacity to solve, innovate, and adapt to the changing circumstance. Well, Albert Einstein famously said that true science of intelligence is not knowledge, it's imagination. Your Honor, what is imagination if not rooted in deep understanding? I believe knowledge is the spark that fuels imagination. Without it, we risk creating without purpose, innovating without context. It's knowledge that teaches us why behind the word, and it is the profound understanding which enables real-world solution. My lovely opponent, if you still believe that if you still believe that skill development can only solve real-world challenges, wow, what a concept. But let me remind you, a person can be skilled at executing a task, but without the depth knowledge of understanding why they are doing, their actions are like a ship sailing without a map designed to drift endlessly. My lovely opponent, you are already known that some skilled manpower are promoting that skill is the new currency, master this skill, save the future, and blah blah blah. I might support skill are essential, but knowledge is the compass that ensures those skills are put to the right use. Without knowledge, skills are nothing more than the tools waiting for direction. In fact, from the corner of my heart, I believe that knowledge is the new currency. To shape our future, we must get the knowledge. Your Honor, we live in the era where the pace of change is relentless. The real challenges we face, technological disruption, climate change, global health crisis, and many more, require us to know the complexity, the science, the data, and the broader context. To conclude, from the advancement of science and technology to the success in green energy initiative and global rise of nation, knowledge acquisition has been a driving force behind the real world progress. Yes, an unexamined life is unworth the living, and in the same way, an unexamined approach to global challenges, one that who neglects knowledge, will not bring the change we urgently need. In fact, knowledge is the power, knowledge is the key to success. Thank you. Have a great time.
Judges, please note participant took 2 minutes, 59 seconds.
Alright, we have a hand raised over here.
So you stated, imagination is related to knowledge. So then why do we have creative thinking skills?
Can you please repeat the question?
As you stated, for imagination you need knowledge. So why do we why do we have a skill named creative thinking skills?
So, well, I'm not saying that skills are not important, but in my opinion, I think that imagination is the tool where the depth understanding is required. Well, let me give you an example. If we are thinking about a spacecraft, or we are imagining something out of the Earth, then if we don't know the depth knowledge of understanding how to build a spacecraft or anything else like that, how can we imagine? How can we imagine, in my opinion? Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for your answer.
Any other question? Is there anyone with a question? No one with a question. Thank you. Thank you so much.